Hi friends, let us discuss some problems related to center of mass. It's a 7.1. Find the center of mass of three particles at the vertices of an equilateral triangle. The masses of the particles are 100 gram, 150 gram, 200 gram respectively. Each side of an equilateral triangle is 0.5 meter long. It's an equilateral triangle. It means that it's a 7.1 solved problem. It is 7.1 solved problem. This is X, Y and Z. We are taking it as equilateral triangle. It's an equilateral triangle. Here it is 1, 2. It's a 0, 0 and this is 0.50. Y coordinate is 0. You can check it here, this one. These two particles we got it. Third particle which is at, if you check this one, that's going at 0 and first one here it is 100 gram kept here, it's a 100 gram, here 150 gram, here 200 gram. This one is 0.25. Then what about this one? This is 0.5. This is 0.25. Then this one is coming as this one will be y coordinate will be 0.5 and x coordinate y is coming. X coordinate is coming as 0.25 and y coordinate is 0.3. X coordinate here, this one is coming 0.25 and 0.3 y coordinate. You can find out this one. This is 0.5, this is 0.25. Automatically, this side will come as 0.25 under root. Okay. Let's take center of mass we want to find out. M1 is equal to 100 gram. X1 is equal to 0. Y1 is equal to 0. Similarly, M2 is equal to 150 gram. X1 is equal to 0.5. Y1 is equal to 0. M3 is equal to 200 gram. X1 is equal to 0.25. X2, Y2. X3, Y3 0.25 under root 3. Now x is equal to M1 x1 M2 x2 M3 x3 divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. M1 is 100, x1 0 plus M2 is 150 into x2 0.5 plus M3 is 200 into 0.25 divided by 100, 150, 200. Which one will become? This is, it's coming as 0 plus 75 plus it is 50 divided by 450, which is equal to 125 divided by 450. You can easily see this thing, that is 125 divided by 450. First one, that becomes 5 by, it is 5 by 80. This is x. X coordinate of the center of mass is coming as 5 by 80. Similarly, y coordinate m1 y1 plus m2 y2 plus m3 y3 m1 plus m2 plus m3. All these are. Now m1 is 100, y1 is 0 plus m2 is 150, y2 is 0.5, y2 is again 0 plus 200 into 0.25 under root 3 divided by 450. If you take this one, that is 15 under root 3 divided by 450. So 2 under root 3, it is 2 under root 3 divided by 18. This is y coordinate, 2 under root 3 divided by 18. This became your y coordinate. Now z coordinate, we do not take it here. This is the way, if x1, y1 and z1 is given to you, that is, you can find out x, y and z. This is the way to find out center of mass. Let's move to the next one, that is 7.2. Find the center of mass of a triangular lamina. There is a triangular lamina here, 7.2. Then A, B, C. No coordinates are given, nothing is given. In this case, we have to go by geometrical way. It's a geometrical means are there to find out. What is to be done? Divide into small. This one is one small strip. This strip, when we divide it, it becomes symmetric. Second one, divided. Third one, fourth one, sixth one, seventh one. Now, all these parts are symmetric in nature. Therefore, the center of mass of this part is its center. It's 1. Then again, center of mass of this one is its center. So all centers will join them. We get one line. All this center of masses will get one line. This is one way. This one line will form. Similarly, divide them in this way. This is divided in this way. Now, there is all center of masses. These all are. There is a line joining all center of masses. And where these two lines intersect each other, where this line and this line intersect each other, that becomes center of mass of this lamina. So this is the way, when we do not have a coordinates, we can find out center of mass by geometrical means or geometrical ways. Let's read 7.3. Find out the center of mass of a uniform L-shaped lamina, that is a thin flat plate with the dimensions as shown in figure. It's a given in this way. L-shape. This is 0, 0. 1 is 0, 0. Then this is coming as 0, 2. This point is 0, 2. This point is coming as 1, 2. 1, 2. This point is coming as 2, 1. and this point is coming as 2, 0. You can see this one. This is not symmetric. When the object body is symmetric, it's easy to find out center of mass, but this is not symmetric. Now it has the equal one. Suppose that I divide it into equal parts. This portion, if it is there, it's a center of symmetric. We can get this center there. What I do? I divide them here. Now you can see this is 0, 1, this one. This is becoming as 1, 0. This is becoming as 1, 1. Now this one part is symmetric. So geometrical center of this one is center of mass of this one. C1. It becomes geometrical center. But now this is 1. This is 2. This one will become as 2 root 3. And then this part, if you check it, this part, if you check this one, it's this distance we have. So here it is half 0, and here it is. This coordinate becomes half and 1.5. Coordinate of this one becomes half and 1.5. So this one is C1 is having mass m, and then it is coordinate x1 is equal to half, y1 is equal to 3.2. This mass is also 3 part of this. Then this also, here we can check it. This is half and half. C2. C2 is having half coordinate x1, y2 is equal to half. Similarly, this again, it is here. So it is becoming 3 by 2 and half. C3, x3 is equal to 3 by 2, y3 is equal to half. We got it. This is one point. This complete one can be converted into one point, because we can take, if the body is symmetric, this is a square, symmetric. It's a center of mass is here. Complete part is converted into single point. Similarly, complete part is converted into single particle. And then once we get it, then we get this one. That is, it is mass of this one. Is it given anywhere? 3 kg. Mass of complete lamina is 3 kg. Therefore, m1 is equal to 1 kg. m2 is equal to 1 kg. m3 is equal to 1 kg. All of them are having same one. Therefore, x is equal to 1 into half plus 1 into 3 by 2 plus 1 into 3 by 2 divided by 3. Okay, that becomes half plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 divided by 3, which is equal to 7 by 2 into 1, 3, which becomes 7 by 6. First, x came 7 by 6. Similarly, y is equal to m1, y1, m2, y2, m3, y3 divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3, which is m1 is 1, y1 3 by 2 plus it is half plus it is half divided by 3. 3 by 2 plus half divided by 2, that is into 1 3, which becomes 5 by 6. So one is 7 by 6, other one is coming as 5 by 6. Let us check x first. X somewhere we have gone wrong. X here x should be half. This is, so it will become as half. So this one is also becoming. So x is also 5 by 6. y is also 5 by 6. If you check x, here 2. So x is also 5 by 6. Y is also 5 by 6. Therefore, this one, center of mass of this one is 5 by 6 and 5 by 6. That's all for this problem. Thank you.